Welcome to Antarctica, the coldest, windiest, and most mysterious place on Earth. Beneath its vast ice sheets lies a hidden world, filled with wonders and secrets that could change everything we know about the planet. Today, we're diving beneath the ice of Antarctica to uncover its greatest mysteries. Covering 98% of the continent, Antarctica's ice sheet is unimaginably vast. On average, the ice is 2 kilometers thick, but in some areas it plunges nearly 5 kilometers deep. That's the height of 6 Burj Khalifas stacked on top of each other. Beneath this frozen expanse lies a world untouched for millions of years, filled with ancient landscapes, hidden lakes, and extraordinary secrets waiting to be discovered. Antarctica isn't just a frozen wasteland. Beneath its thick ice are over 400 subglacial lakes, hidden in total darkness and connected by rivers that flow beneath the ice. One of the most remarkable is Lake Vostok, discovered in 1996. This massive lake, buried under 4 kilometers of ice, is roughly the size of Lake Ontario. What's even more surprising? The water isn't frozen. Despite the extreme cold, Lake Vostok stays liquid at -3 degrees Celsius due to the immense pressure of the ice above and geothermal heat from below. Could there be life thriving in this hidden world? In 2013, scientists found microbial life in other subglacial lakes, like Lake Wilkes, proving that organisms can survive without sunlight. If life exists here, could similar life forms exist on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus? Antarctica's hidden lakes may hold the key to understanding life beyond Earth. Millions of years ago, Antarctica wasn't a frozen desert. It was part of the lush supercontinent Gondwana. Forests, rivers, and even dinosaurs once roamed this land. But today, beneath the ice, we've found traces of that ancient world. The Gomburtsev Mountains, buried under the ice, stretch for hundreds of miles and rival the size of the Alps. These peaks are a time capsule, preserving Earth's geological history beneath layers of ice. And it doesn't stop there. In 2014, scientists discovered a massive canyon buried beneath the ice, larger than the Grand Canyon. Spanning over 1,000 kilometers and reaching depths of nearly 3 kilometers, this hidden valley reveals how much of Antarctica's past remains locked away, waiting to be explored. Fossils found in Antarctica, including leaves and marsupial bones, confirm that it once had a warm, green climate. Over millions of years, shifting continents and dropping temperatures turned this lush paradise into the frozen wilderness we know today. Antarctica is more than just a land of ice. It's also a land of fire. Scientists have discovered over 138 volcanoes buried under the continent, making it one of the most volcanically active regions on Earth. Among them is Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on the planet, which has a permanent lava lake that has been bubbling for thousands of years. But here's where it gets even more alarming. As the ice melts due to climate change, the pressure on these buried volcanoes decreases, which could trigger more frequent eruptions. If enough of them erupt, they could speed up glacial melting, releasing massive amounts of ice into the ocean and raising sea levels worldwide. Beneath Antarctica's frozen glaciers lies a hidden world of volcanic ice caves, carved by the intense heat of the continent's active volcanoes. Incredibly, the temperatures inside these caves can reach as high as 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, a startling contrast to the frigid conditions outside. It's almost unbelievable that, in the heart of the coldest place on Earth, there exists a space so warm. These caves aren't just geological wonders, they are potential biological treasure troves. Within these warm, hidden ecosystems, scientists have discovered traces of moss, algae, and even unidentified DNA. This raises the tantalizing possibility that unknown life forms, perfectly adapted to extreme isolation, could be thriving here. During the course of studying Antarctica's sub-environment, another unique discovery was made deep beneath the ice in Wilkes Land. In 1950, scientists detected an unusual gravitational anomaly in this remote region. A gravitational anomaly happens when there is a variation in Earth's gravitational field, suggesting the presence of large, dense objects or structures hidden beneath the surface. This anomaly indicated that something massive was concealed below the ice. But what could it be? Satellite imaging and radar scans later revealed a circular depression over 500 kilometers wide. Some researchers believe this could be the site of a colossal asteroid impact from nearly 250 million years ago. If true, It might be linked to the Permian-Triassic extinction, the deadliest mass extinction in Earth's history, which wiped out nearly 90% of all life. But not everyone agrees. Some theories suggest that the anomaly is a buried supervolcano, its immense forces trapped beneath kilometers of ice. Others speculate that it could be an enormous, unknown geological structure, perhaps even evidence of a lost ancient continent. The true nature of the Wilkes Land anomaly remains a mystery. But as technology advances, future explorations may finally reveal what lies beneath Antarctica's frozen depths, unlocking one of the last great secrets of our planet. Antarctica is a land of mysteries, home to astonishing natural phenomena and unique wildlife that thrive in its extreme conditions. One of its most striking features is Blood Falls, a vivid red waterfall seeping from the Taylor Glacier. The eerie crimson color comes from iron-rich water trapped beneath the ice for over 2 million years, which oxidizes when exposed to air, creating the illusion of flowing blood. Adding to the continent's intrigue are the pyramid-shaped peaks rising sharply above the ice. While some speculate they are remnants of ancient civilizations or even extraterrestrial structures, scientists explain them as nunataks, mountain peaks exposed through millions of years of erosion. Beyond its landscapes, Antarctica's wildlife is equally remarkable, with creatures like icefish, whose blood contains antifreeze proteins that allow them to survive in freezing waters. Deep in the Southern Ocean, giant sea spiders and translucent jellyfish navigate the darkness, showcasing nature's ability to adapt and thrive in the most extreme environments on Earth. Something extraordinary is unfolding in Antarctica right now. The world's largest iceberg, A23A, is on a collision course with the British Overseas Territory of South Georgia. This massive iceberg first broke free from the Filchner ice shelf in 1986, but remained anchored in the Weddell Sea for over 30 years. Recently, it has started drifting northward towards South Georgia, an island rich in wildlife, including vast penguin and seal colonies. A 23A is enormous, covering 3,900 square kilometers, more than twice the size of Greater London. Its towering ice cliffs, reaching 400 meters high, are taller than the Shard, the UK's tallest building. Scientists estimate it could reach the island within weeks, potentially blocking feeding routes for penguins and seals. However, as it melts, it will release nutrients into the ocean, temporarily boosting marine life. A 23A's journey highlights Antarctica's fragile balance. If all the ice in Antarctica melted, global sea levels could rise by over 58 meters, submerging cities like New York, London, and Shanghai. This would drastically reshape coastlines, displacing millions of people and causing widespread environmental and economic devastation. Scientists studying Antarctica's ice sheets are uncovering crucial climate insights, reminding us that changes here affect the entire world. Thanks for watching, Quiz and Knowledge Room viewers. What do you think would be the biggest challenge if all the ice in Antarctica melted? Drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.